Hey everyone. So I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to focus on to bring whatever you are manifesting into your life? And the Death card came through. And the message here is literally put to death anything that tells you you can't have what you want, right? You've got to release and transform all the things that are telling you can't have it, okay? So by doing that, you are putting sort of aside any reasons and doubts and fears of why you can't have what you want, okay? And it's like you're starting a new chapter. This new manifestation that you want is a new chapter. So you're closing the old and bringing on the new, right? And you can do this, do a little ritual if you want, that you can say whatever it is you want to manifest at the moment. You know, you can write at the top of the page. And then you can say, well, why don't I think I can have that? What are my fears and doubts around this? Write it all out. And I mean, we've got a full moon going on at the moment. This could be a really good time to release and really do, like you could, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Whatever you've written on the paper, you can cross out with a pen, or you can rip it up into little bits with the intention that you're now releasing that, because you now want to focus on all the reasons why you can have what you want, right? Or very safely, you can burn it. But like I said, very safely, in a very safe way, and at your own discretion, of course. But yeah, that's another way to do it as well. So death to the old, death to the doubts, death to the fear, let them go, right? Release them and concentrate and focus on the story that you do have what you want and why you can have what you want, and it shall manifest. Alrighty, let me know if you've liked it. So make sure you like it so I know, because then I can bring you more. Subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification and you say all, and then you will be notified of each video and reading that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.